For Constitution Week 2014, Elizabethtown College Young Americans for Liberty took a trip to Trop Gun Shop to spend some time in the classroom and on the range. During Trop's firearm familiarization class, new and experienced shooters alike learned some of the statistics behind the gun debate as well as gun safety. One of the most interesting parts of the classroom time was learning proper grip and carrying techniques, as well as how to be conscientious about the direction you point your weapon. The folks at Trop even sent us with some gift bags full of Trop swag before we proceeded to some time on the range. We earned a story about the event in the school paper, highlighting our chapter and the Second Amendment. The next day, YAL members tabled during Elizabethtown College's Constitution Day speaker. We handed out constitutions and information about the Second Amendment we learned from our time at Trop. Our chapter would like to thank YAL National and Trop Gun Shop for their generous donations to make our event possible.